How to Choose a Course Abroad, a step-by-step guide. Based on a recent poll with our audience, 50% of our followers asked for help on how to choose the right course when studying abroad. Here's a practical, research-based guide to making the best decision for your future. Recently, we ran a poll on our stories and asked, what topic would you like us to cover next? And guess what? 50% of you voted for how to choose a course abroad. So let's dive into it. Choosing a course abroad isn't just about picking something that sounds good. It's a strategic decision that impacts your career, finances, and lifestyle. Here's a step-by-step guide that breaks down what really matters, with real data, examples, and insider tips. Step 1. Define your objective. What do you want from this experience? Language improvement, career development, academic credit, cultural immersion. Fact: according to a 2023 QS International Student Survey, 61% of students chose a course based on how well it aligned with their career goals. Tip: if you're unsure, start with your long-term goal, e.g., I want to work in digital marketing, and reverse engineer which courses help you get there. Step 2. Choose the right country. Different countries have different strengths. For example, Canada and Ireland, known for post-study work permits and job opportunities. Malta, affordable English-speaking and a growing hub for digital nomads. Germany, excellent for engineering and tuition-free options. Proof: according to study.eu, Germany ranked number 1 in affordability, while Canada scored highest for post-study work opportunities. Tip: check visa conditions, local language, and job market before committing. Step 3. Research accredited institutions. Never settle for a random school. Look for accreditation status, international rankings, student reviews, especially from your home country. Proof: a diploma from a non-accredited school may not be recognized by employers or other universities, especially in competitive industries like health, law, or tech. Tip: use platforms like QS World University Rankings or apply through trusted education agents. Step 4. Compare course content and duration. 2 programs may have the same title, but totally different outcomes. Checklist: are there internships or hands-on projects? Is the course full-time, part-time, or hybrid? What subjects or modules are covered? Fact: a 2024 LinkedIn education report showed that courses with internship options led to 35% higher employment rates in the first year after graduation. Step 5. Budget wisely. Tuition plus living costs. Studying abroad can be affordable if you factor in all costs: tuition fees, accommodation, food, transport, visa, and insurance. Part-time work opportunities. Example: studying English in Malta might cost €3,000 to €5,000 per semester, versus €10,000 plus in the UK, but still gives you EU exposure and English immersion. Tip: use websites like Numbeo or local expat groups for real cost of living insights. Step 6. Check visa and work rights. Each country has different visa policies. Some allow part-time work or post-study stay, others don't. Example: in Australia, student visa holders can work 24 hours a week, while in Malta, you can apply for a work permit after 90 days. Tip: always confirm with official government immigration websites or certified agents. Don't rely on social media rumors. Step 7. Talk to alumni and real students. No better source than someone who's been there. Ask about what they liked or disliked job outcomes. Support from the school cultural adjustment. Tip: search Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or ask us to connect you with someone in your target destination. We're happy to help. Conclusion: choosing a course abroad isn't something to rush. It's about aligning your goals, budget, and career with the right program in the right place. Your path is unique, but the steps above can guide any student, traveller or professional looking for a life-changing experience. Want help choosing a course? Leave a comment to us with the word course, and we'll help you shortlist your best options.